you want to learn how to get a Telegram profile link, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. First step, open the Telegram application on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Now press the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and then press Edit. The Edit button is located at the top right part of your screen. Then, press Username and type the username that you want to use. Keep in mind that your username will appear on your Telegram's link, so choose one that will easily identify your name or your account. Now, just press the generated link and you can start sharing it with all of your friends. You can either copy it and paste it to your messages or your email, or directly send it to your friends on Telegram and other messaging applications. That's all for this video, and if this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.